It's gonna be a weird video because I'm gonna be talking about tattoos today. No, I'm not gonna get one at this young age, but when I get a little older, like 17, 18, I will be getting a wolf tattoo. And now I'm gonna tell y'all why a wolf. Because as I grown up, if you know, and if you met me at my school, you know I love wolves. I adore them. So you know why I'm getting this tattoo of a wolf when I get older. Because dogs inspire me, and dogs are ancestors of wolves. And wolves inspire me more than dogs, surprisingly. So that is why. And I'm going to show you where I'm going to get it. Right now, my arm's too small for a big old tattoo. But I'm going to get it right here when I get older. Now, I'm doing this to show how much I adore animals. And how much I love wolves. 10 out of 10. Because they're not just predators. They're group predators. They never leave another wolf behind. So this is why I'm getting a wolf tattoo when I get older. Now, I've seen a lot of wolf tattoos. I looked into it, and my parents said, as long as I'm old enough to. So they already know I'm going to want a tattoo. But I'm not going to do it at first second. I'm going to wait until I feel like I should get it. But I'm not going to be 15 when I get a tattoo. No, that's crazy. Especially for me. I'm going to get it in the 17s or 16s. Maybe the only time, okay. Here's are the years I might get one. Either 16, 17, or 18. It's the only 3 years that are the chance to be number 1. Now, I want to get it early. So I might get it at 16. If my parents approve of it at that age. But all I know is that wolves inspire me to be who I am. Whoever is gonna watch here might be my friends, might be someone I don't know. But what started me to imagine loving wolves is that dogs have been suffering so much abuse, kill, so have wolves. And I've already saved a lot of dogs. I gave away 30 bulldogs. Y'all might not believe me, but my father raised 30 bulldogs when I was younger. But we sold them all to good families that would never give them up. And now I got shepherds that I will never give away. Because those are our family. And family to me is wolves and my other family. And this might be a little cheesy and weird, but this is true. Now, some people might think that, why am I thinking about getting a tattoo at this age? I'm not. I just know I'm going to get one. But older. Now, I will continue on these vlogs until that day comes. Until that day comes, I will continue these vlogs. So, in 2022, you will get a video of me getting a tattoo on my arm with a wolf on it. So, whoever watches until that time, you are the #1 wolf pack leader. Now, I want y'all to pick a name for this channel. Okay? But you have to use a conspiracy of a wolf. So something with a wolf in it. Like /wolf, whatever. Put it down in the comments. And if I like yours may be the name that we will call people. Call us. So, yeah. Thanks, guys. Now you know. I love wolves. Stay tuned until I get my tattoo. It's gonna be a while. Subscribe, like, and pick a name.